Launch 123E is an evolutionary smart solution for passenger car diagnosis. It is characterized by covering a wide range of vehicles, featuring powerful functions and providing precise test results. 4,000 mAh built-in battery, fit for different situations. Multi-language, one-click update, Google definition and solution under the fog code. Share captured pictures and diagnostic report to mailbox. Connect your car with a tool. It will start auto-detect process. A diagnostic report will be automatically generated and can be shared to email box. Support for system diagnosis, engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission. Also, it can support for JOBD, KOBD, OBD1, EOBD, OBD2. Include JOBD, KOBD, EOBD, OBD2 protocol. Support 10 modes of OBD2 test, including EVAP, O2 sensor, IM readiness, MIL status, VIN info, and onboard monitors testing, etc. Read all live data. Combined 4 live data can be graphed and analyzed. In addition, its a powerful record function can let you review any live data at any time. Displays battery real-time voltage once properly connected to the vehicle.